TV Suni FM writer Amenyo Rafael DL Centro campaign star creative we asina present any agudie mre ena asui ye hyase edwa free Italy na Cagliari e board buku ba ko the Tinkerman Claudio Ranieri ene kita sa team no na papa ya di mfrishia adiosom mienu 72 years obede farewell the last game of the Enso Serie A games ni na banawie o Italy ye crown season no e o Italy Montana 20 fixtures over the weekend no ye hwe na afin so ye de no so abre no ahu Italy no ye wie season no ahu ne ekọ ene ne ba enso e wo season mu a kire nkomo ebe de pa because Serie A no emu ayedren na emu ayedren na no kire se eneyi uroro mu ko kire a January ene Bologna ne be hiesia kan weekend Juve ene Monza AC Milan ene Salernitana ene bebo XXC Napoli ene Lecce Atalanta ene Torino Lazio ene Sassuolo ne be hiesia kan Hellas Verona ene International Milano Inter Milan for na G League na chane so mame Empoli ene AS Roma ene afinso Frosinone ene Udine ene be hiesia kan we fixtures over the weekend ebe koso ewo Italy ene nso honkomo ene ye amawo ene anopai yanko La Liga EA Sports La Liga nenso e banawie ye over the weekend La Liga ne je woni me say Real Madrid fo ene country ye twibodu owiem san to pada ko wiem moji free Barca fo nsam a ayom ya pa na ukọ La Liga EA Sports ni mu a over the weekend games e be koso no so no be den pa de tie ne Girona enso ene Granada ene hiesia kan Girona fo ya qualify ko Champions League ni braba Osasuna ene Villarreal ene be Real Sociedad ene Atletico Madrid ene hiesia kan UD Almeria ene Cadiz CF ene ebo Rayo Vallecano ne Athletic Club ebe hiesia kan Nyak Williams ene ninua enso ebe gina mu sa game ni mu Real Madrid ene Real Betis Hatafe ene Mallorca ene be hiesia kan na Celta Vigo ene Valencia UD Las Palmas ene Deportivo Alaves Sevilla and FC Barcelona and so be crown season no e wo Spain and also hon komo kakra and ye dia bre wo no na sene so ma me se e wo England no trophy aka ye ni dia chire pa e the FA Cup no ochina 2 pm ye be pass game na no Manchester United against Manchester City big game pa and ye wo hwe amanfo believe say Manchester United team no wo form kakra omo ahoden enduru Manchester City omo agi league no e je kowa kankane po wie game pa Erik ten Hag coach okita Manchester United was enkrofo mu me de manim twitwi fom sa ba sa trophy we mi nya ma ne nko ne enya ma ne nko chena me de best cement say me ya de pa ne enkrofo ne mu mintia ye ntie no coach ne nkomo ena wati yemfa seda kese ema game park games omoka ho ena na no pay de agudie mu nsem enso brewo yentinsim ofie ye ni nkomo kakra de yetene se the national under 17 team the Black Starlets omugina okono woni se we wafu zombie agudie a ekoso Ghana na we na koya afcon sa ba wafu zombie ena ye bo ye behwe nipa 2 anase countries 2 a ebe qualify no ebe call the Africa Cup of Nations na proper next year ena na be koso na me pacho game ba no be dene e semi final ni no the Black Starlet for no Ghana ene Burkina Faso ene be hiesia kan sa game no enso ebetimi aba so an se ochina ene ebo game no 5 pm na coach okita the Black Starlet like Kingston ene candidato dwa se ono o hwa ni mu pa so betimi qualify akona ni mu final na de obekọ de a Saturday e ochina ene be che like Kingston enkomoni.
Since 2017 Ghanaians have not seen a youth team that previously we enjoyed most from 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 2001 that we lost this team. So if we are able to qualify this team, I think it's amazing. For me, I will be much happy than anything else in the world because I know Ghanaians are craving for this. I know Ghanaians have worked so hard. They put a lot of things in place for us to get there, but it's been very difficult because other countries are also developed. But I think we are in the right direction. We're taking it a day at a time. Now we are in the semis. Anything that they put in front of us, myself and my technical team will sit down and have a game plan against them. I believe it's on Saturday.
No like Kingston and our ten in Canada other semi-final game no and so ebekoswa Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire 8 p.m. on the same venue and ebekoswa and also a game back one no be den pa like Kingston I had the bona ba so 5 games so far na Ocean 19 goals I conceded 3 goals there waya ade pa na awusua Hit FM medical ka kire say de biara da Hit FM reni enti wuntimi na UEFA Champions League no eba so a Hit FM pejam fidie akese enketoa adantam na hyen ewo aviation social center Real Madrid ene Borussia Dortmund ewo Champions League final ni no ba o favorite team jersey no na wa share e dia ba achede bebrebe na bekoso ho agodie bebrebe na so bekoso ado hogimu a na say we win lots of free gift won so wonsa kan enti Hit FM rep your jersey 2024 ene yede ba ewo aviation social center na yengura hayeni Komodia, Communications Director for the Ghana Football Association, Henry Asante Chum, and Odem Komoka Kraba say, "Uye coach now ukochi wa Ghana ha club biara ukochi biara na ya wagana say." So person kobo CAF Champions League o person kobo the CAF Confederations Cup na ungita license an ebema kwan anwa ko gina daga otini mu a ene ya qualifier o ma woni team na chi enti de tene se enei so kita UEFA license A ana se UEFA Pro license no ene license A ni na no ugita de a obetimi akọ but anything below that no Henry Asante Twum se uye coach a ye ma ho kwan e ma coach team bia wo Africa Henry ni
A holder or UEFA Pro license holder. Untwin coachy on the continental level. Untwin coachy national team.
Yeah.
Untwin coachy Champions League club. Untwin coachy Confederation Cup club. Raise bar and we are
Standards
going on
high.
and on and on. Your clubs no Mr. We have to start now because game no economy game no tumpon. By any game no etumpon and one of the
Communications Director of the Ghana Football Association, Henry Asante Twum, and a Yaten and the Ghana Premier League, and so week number 31. Only see about 34 weeks. Tiabo, we are Naka games to be near year season, but some matters and Yabres Beji League. No, so over the weekend, you better fixtures at because Ghana Premier League on your screen. Adriana Stars Saturday, Omni Nations FC, Ebeshia Kind Accra Lions Saturday, Chrono, Omni Bechem United and Airbo, Kerala United, the phone in Swatermine, and Ebeshia Kind also Saturday. Sunday kwesi da games ebebanie krobia metema Asante Kotoko Airtonsa e dia free heart of folk Kumase baba ya rago pramaso e dia kansikesi yi akatiri so we super clash and afin so Great Olympics ene Brekomo Chelsea HSC akan Gold Stars ene Dreams FC nebo bofo akwatano ene Mediama Sporting Club RTU Red Tamale United for ene Legon Cities ene HSC akan na afin so Heart of Lions ene Samates 1996 and so Abwa Kensent we Ghana Premier League fixtures match week number 31 ehon komo ene de abrewa mo ate ase yi pa kai national sama say Asempa 94.7 FM the ultimate sports station yen yakase e be ya UEFA Champions League ye the headquarters of Ghana Sports the ANSA emfidie no ye de na enso be kopiem e wotema enti uyo obi a utatie sports pa na so nti Asempa FM de ya nim de wutie enti wutie Asempa FM wo de afekura na wotie enka say UEFA Champions League ne ye de batema T Havana Community 9 and Asempa FM by UEFA Champions League ye crack commentators ni na ba ehon ye betwa mfoni ne de a kire all the way from Wembley into me pacho ba na washa wo club na wo yada na pa washa ne jersey na de ba oba achede bebre wo ho agudie bebre wo ho a ye bedi na afin so ye retwa pictures ye exchange numbers na koyi 94.7 FM ba T Havana Tema Community 9 UEFA Champions League final empire na edwa abusuana no pai ye nyina we so ye mfa nenso som no emfancy FM writer Amenyo Rafael de Centro Campista Creative we asene na presentani Macrao